Hi there, thank you for stopping by today. So if you have been following me, you have seen my previous video when I talked about having noise issues from my studio monitors, or actually from my PC into my studio monitors. I solved that issue by replacing the audio cables going from the audio interface into the speakers with balanced audio cables instead of unbalanced cables. I used unbalanced cables actually for many years. When I moved to a place where I had grounded outlets and everything electrically should be correct, I got this kind of noise when moving my windows in my PC. And you could also hear when you are scrolling a web page, you can kind of hear a kind of scraping or buzzing noise from the speakers. So solving that problem was for me replacing the audio cables with balanced audio cables, and I have linked to the type of cables in the description below. So if I just produce in the box, I don't have any external gear or anything, everything would be fine now. I don't have any noises from my VSTs, that works just fine, it's just audio generated in the computer. But I have external instruments behind me here, like this Moog synthesizer, and I started noticing that I actually hear noise from the synthesizer also going into the audio interface. And I was not really sure how to solve that problem, because when I was at the music store, I actually asked them if should I also use balanced cables on this monosynth, and the guy said, no, I don't think you need that, you can use an unbalanced cable. A few years ago when I got this synthesizer, I bought this high quality unbalanced cable, and I thought that was fine. And just to be sure, I also read the manual for the synthesizer. You should always read the manual, and if we take a look at it here, it says on audio output you have one TS and you have one TRS headphone jack. The headphone jack is the one on the front here, and the TS jack is the one I connect to the audio interface. Sorry about the squeaking chair, I'm going to replace it. So I've been using unbalanced cables from my Moog synthesizer into the audio interface, and using that it sounds like this. I think we can go back to Ableton Live, and I can show you the recording, how the sound looks like. See if I can get this working. So I have boosted the volume a little bit here now. Here are the audio files from the Moog synthesizer. So this is how it sounds like originally, where I heard the noise. Let's check it out here. Let's see if we can do something about the volume. Okay, so here is the noisy recording. So you can hear that buzzing noise in the background. That was actually the same noise I was having before I placed the audio cables to the studio monitors. It's very annoying. You can't have this in recordings. But if I replaced the audio cable going from my synthesizer into my audio interface with a balanced audio cable, it sounds like this. And I just have to remind you now, the volume is extremely low here, but it's just to emphasize that you don't hear the noise now. So and let's compare it with the noise again here. You hear it right in the start there, and you also have it here. Yeah, so I'm not sure what this means, because I guess in a perfect world where every electrical outlet is perfect and everything is working as it should, a standard TS cable from the Moog synthesizer into an audio interface or maybe some other type of gear would probably work. But in my case, using the type of cable that's you should use stated in the manual, that that produced noise. So replacing the audio cable from the Moog with a balanced audio cable also solved the noise issues from the synthesizer. What do I want with this? Well, I just want to record a video and show you what I experience. Maybe all of you know that this is the way you should do it and I'm just stupid, I don't know. But I hope this may help some of you if you also have noise issues, if you have tried different outlets, if you have tried different power strips. I also actually bought some kind of updated power strip with some filtering and EME stuff that didn't work as well. So yeah, I see a lot of conflicting information out there, and someone says that it works and someone says that it doesn't work, and I just decided to just buy the cable and just try it out, and for me it works. And yeah, I hope this maybe can help some of you if you have issues with this. So what does this mean? Well, now I actually can start produce music and record videos and even add more synthesizers to my setup if I want to do that. I've been trying to tackle this problem actually before buying any new external gear, and I'm extremely happy about having solved the issues now. Because if you have little time like me, if you have a day job and everything, when I get into this studio and I turn on all of the gear, I just want it to work. I don't want to hear any noise. I want to record videos for you, maybe show off some tracks I'm working on, and be finished with it. I don't want to use like half an hour to troubleshoot stuff. So yeah. So this was just an update for me. I hope that was useful. If you like me to continue making videos like this, subscribing to the channel and liking the video, send signals to Google that you like it, and it will push the content in front of other people. So if you do that, thank you for that. You can also check out the link to my Spotify page down in the description there. You are welcome to follow me on Spotify if you want. I also have a website with my music on it, and it also have links to all of my social media where I'm active, and also a Patreon page where you have different tiers there. You can check it out. Some of them also gives you access to my entire music catalog for direct download. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Take care and goodbye.